Hi friends, welcome to Linux Fork. My name is Chandan and today we are going to learn how we can take the backup of PostgreSQL database, okay, and how we can restore it. So let's start. So this is a quick video. I am going to show you how we can take the backup of PostgreSQL database and how we can restore it. So let's start. Okay, so just come to the terminal. Okay, and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, in previous video I have shown you how we can install PostgreSQL database on Ubuntu system. Okay, so if you coming here and if you want to see how we can uh, install that, please go to my previous video and watch that. Okay, for installation purpose, here I am going to talk about taking the backup and restoring it. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, visit the terminal and switch the user. Okay, sudo su postgres. Okay, so now I am logged in using postgres. Okay, I have switched that user. Now how we can take the backup? First of all, before taking the backup, let's see what database present in the PostgreSQL. For connecting that PostgreSQL database, we are using PSQL. Okay, so just this is called native command. Okay, PSQL. This is native command. So using this native command, we can connect the database. Okay, and we can perform the activity. So as we can see, there is one database called Linux Fork. Okay, so this database is present here and we are going to take the backup of this database. Okay, so just quit it. Now how we can take the backup? So for taking the backup, there is one command called pg dump. Here I am going to dump all, pg dump all and redirect. Okay, and whatever path you want to give, you just give here. And here I am going to give the name of the backup file dot. Okay, and also here you also need to put the backup extension. Okay, pgdump backup extension is, okay, it's important, bak dot ek. Just dump it. Okay, sorry, so pg underscore dump all, that is the command. Okay, pg underscore dump all, that is the command. Okay, just improve it, dump all. Okay, just enter. So just put ls-l command, it will list the backup file backup dot back. So this is the Postgres database backup file is here. Now suppose just log into the uh, Postgres, okay, using PSQL and list the database and drop the database. Okay, now I'm going for the restoration process. So here I'm going to drop that database. Just now suppose this database is not present there and we want to restore, then how we can do it? So just I am going to drop this database. Okay, drop database, we will use command drop database and then database name. Okay, so database, we have dropped that database. That database is not present now. Just quit here and try to go for restoration process. So restoration is the same process. Here we are going to use psql -f and then backup file name and then username. So this is the command for restoring that database. Okay, so just here we have the file name. You need to give the path here if you restored some other place, because I have taking the backup file in current directory, so just I am putting that path. If you have taken some other place, you need to put that exact path where your this backup file present. Okay, so the command is -f dot path of the backup file and then username. Just enter. Okay, it's done. So Postgres database restoration process completed. Just log into the Postgres of using PSQL for checking purpose, and see that database is present now. Okay, so here we did how we can take the backup of Postgres database using uh, pgdump command. Okay, pg_dump all command, and how we can restore the database. Okay, using PSQL utility. Okay, so we have seen these two things in this video. So if you like this video, okay, if it is informative for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will create similar video in future. Okay.